Γεια σας, Travel Dorians εδώ, Ίδρυμα Μιχάλης Cacoyannis. Βρισκόμαστε στον πρώτο όροφο της έκθεσης. Πίσω μας είναι γνώριμοι ήχοι, κάπου εκεί στο βάθος, ακούγονται γνώριμοι ήχοι. Εκεί ακριβώς. Και πάμε να δούμε τα εκθέματα του πρώτου ορόφου.
Φαίνομαι κι εγώ στην οθόνη. Τώρα παίζει.
Travel Dorians.
Βρισκόμαστε στο δεύτερο όροφο του Ιδρύματος Μιχάλης Cacoyannis, στην γκαλερί ArtNumber23, και πάμε να δούμε τα εκθέματα του δεύτερου ορόφου.
Paintings of our memories are there for me to view. I walk the hall alone now, my footsteps echo out, a solitary figure in a once enchanted crowd. I stopped before a canvas of that summer by the sea. The colors are still vibrant, but it doesn't look at me. It's just a frozen moment, a beautiful sad lie beneath the stark and clinical, unforgiving sky. The silence is a presence, it's a heavy hanging cloud. It wraps around me like a shroud, it speaks its name aloud. I'm an echo in the gallery of everything we were, a fading lonely sound that barely there remembered stir. I bounce off all the walls we built, I come back thin and weak, a word that you once whispered that I constantly see. I see the spot upon the floor where we once sat for hours, talking about our future among the plastic flowers that you said were cheesy, but you kept them anyway. A simple, silly memory that's brightening the day. The curator of my own heart, I dust the frames each day and hope the ache will lessen as it slowly fades away. I'm an echo in the gallery of everything we were, a fading lonely sound that barely get remembered stir. I bounce off all the else we built, I come back thin and weak, a word that you once whispered that I constantly. Maybe one day I'll take the art down, pack it up and store it safe, and turn this empty gallery into a different, lighter space. But for now I need the echoes, I need the silent vast expanse to understand the magnitude of all lost romantic dance. I'm an echo in the gallery of everything we were, a fading lonely sound that barely there remembered her. I bounce off all the walls we built, I come back thinner.